Before we get into ISPOs, let's first explain Cardano's proof of stake concept. Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain. Unlike Bitcoin, where you use expensive computer graphics cards to mine for the new supply, Cardano holders simply delegate their assets to a stake pool and earn the new token rewards. Stake pool operators are individuals or businesses that have proper knowledge and resources to run a Cardano node. These nodes are interconnected with one another, working together to validate transactions on the blockchain, ultimately to support the Cardano network. These node operators are rewarded with the new supply of Cardano, as well as the delegators that are delegating to their pools. I am a delegator myself. ADA token holders can easily delegate to any public stake pool and earn ADA rewards. Let's explain this simply and visually. You have ADA tokens in your wallet. For example, this is one of my wallets. You can easily delegate your ADA tokens to any stake pool. Once your ADA tokens have been delegated, you are now eligible to earn rewards every epoch. This is going to be every 5 days. Your earnings will be added to your rewards wallet every 5 days. If you are delegating to a pool for the first time, it may take a few epochs before earning any rewards. So just be patient. My advice is to get in early. Now that we've gone over how to earn ADA rewards, now let's talk about the alternative tokens and how you can earn some NFTs through ISPOs. ISPO stands for Initial Stake Pool Offering. An ISPO is a unique staking mechanism that is only available on Cardano's blockchain. An ISPO allows for ADA holders to earn an alternative token to ADA while delegating to a stake pool. So instead of earning Cardano, you could earn a new token of a project that hasn't even come out yet. Kind of like getting into a pre-IPO stock. So getting into a company before it's available to the public. So instead of owning shares, you would own the token. So what makes an ISPO unique? Well, first off, it is non-custodial. This means that your ADA stays in your wallet the whole time, and there's no need to move your funds away from your wallet. Your tokens stay safe in your wallet. You could even utilize a hardware wallet. 2, it's easy to join. Choose a stake pool you wish to delegate to, pay a small transaction fee, and now you are earning rewards passively. 3, you can leave at any time. You can delegate to a new pool or leave at any time and just pay a small transaction fee. 4, there is no minimum amount of ADA needed to join. However, for earning certain bonuses like NFTs or multipliers, there might be a certain amount. Delegating your ADA tokens and earning Cardano is the same process as staking towards a new ISPO. The only difference is the stake pool rewards you are earning is going to be different than Cardano, also known as ADA tokens. One great example is Meld. All I did was delegate 3,000 Cardano to their stake pool, and by the end of it, I was rewarded with over 6,000 Meld tokens, which is valued at about 500 USD today. Because I was an early delegator and delegated throughout the entire ISPO length, I was also rewarded with their Diamond Hands NFT, which is valued over 1,200 Cardano today. That's all we have for you in this video. We will see you in the next one.